The ribbon map of the Father of the Waters was created in St. Louis right after the Civil War by this pair of entrepreneurs named Coloni and Fairchild. They thought up of this ingenious way to represent the full 2,600 mile extent of the Mississippi River from Lake Itasca down to the passes into the Gulf of Mexico. And what they came up with was just a long lithograph printed strip of paper that was colored and very detailed, backed on a piece of linen, and that would in turn roll up into this little hand-cranked spool so that a traveler could just carry this with him or her and keep it in a pocket or a purse or whatever. And when they wanted to see, okay, what's the next point on the Mississippi River we're going to see as we're moving up or down the stream, they could just unspool this and check and locate where they were, and okay, yeah, this is the next stop. And it's really detailed. It shows, basically every point of interest along the river from the Gulf of Mexico all the way up to Minnesota. In a little more, I think it's about 12 feet in all. And it just spools up into this tiny little thing. It's just a kind of a cool little artifact of the mid-19th century.